There's the rarest type, and those are reflectors. They make up less than, I think, 4% or 1%. It's a very small percent of the population. So as a generator, you are the engine of the car. Uh, g- manifesting generators are like the pumps because they have the ability to initiate. And then projectors are the guides. Manifestors are the initiators. They like start the engine and then create space for the car to go forward toward your goal. So those are the five energy types. So as a generator, it's wonderful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Mhm. 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 There we go. All right. So this is your chart, darling. This is your chart. And some things you'll notice right away. You'll notice that there's 9 energy centers as opposed to 7 energy centers. So in human design, the theory is that in the 17 or 1800s, I don't know the exact date, but we shifted to 9 energy center beings. And so you'll notice that some of them are white or what we call undefined. They're white, undefined. And then you have 3 that are colored in. Those are defined. So defined. And the first thing you'll notice here is that you have the blue side. This is this is your personality. This is your 5. So if you look at your numbers, your profile is a 5-1. I'm a 5/1 too. Okay, so I really get 5s and 1s. So on the personality side, that number you're consciously aware of. That's your conscious side as a 5. The other side, the green side, this is what you're unconsciously aware of. This is how other people view you. The blue side is how you see yourself. So the 5 is a heretic. And I know when I first started learning human design, I didn't like that word, but now that I've kind of dug in, it makes sense for this human design type. Now that I look back, I can see the patterns. So you are also a 5/1, and the 5 being the heretic. And what the 5 has to be careful of is people tend to look at them as the savior. And if they disappoint others, they can be targeted or burned at the stake. Burned at the stake. So what 5s have to be careful of is informing too much information, those kind of things.